Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to switch your professional account to a personal account on X Twitter. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. Step 3. Tap Profile. Step 4. Next, tap Edit Profile. Step 5. Scroll down and tap Edit Professional Profile. Step 6. Now, tap Switch Account Type. Step 7. From the options provided, tap Switch to Personal Account. Step 8. Finally, confirm your step to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your professional account to a personal account on X, Twitter. Now, you can enjoy using your account for personal purposes. Switching to a personal account allows you to have a more casual and informal presence on X, Twitter, without the additional features and tools of a professional account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.